Hello again guys, and welcome back to another mystery redline unboxing video. So yeah, I went on eBay and bought a job lot of 42 redlines, and here is another 10 all wrapped up in a complete mystery straight out the box. So we got the old ones from the last video in the background. Hashtag spoiler alert. If you want to go check that out because you've not seen it before this, I will leave a link, I think, somewhere. Or you might have to do the work and go to my channel. I know, I'm so mean. But anyway, let's get straight into this video. Let's start with this one. Let's dive into the massive amounts of paper. I'm really enjoying this, funnily enough. What's it gonna be? It's that! I want to say a Ford, but I don't think it is. Ford, I was correct, but I can't tell what it is. Oh, looks pretty neat. I mean, you can at least tell what colour it was, once upon a time. Nice opening feature, which is still on there. I've seen a few of these with that missing. This one's actually quite nice, it latches down well as well. It's pretty cool. Wheels are alright. She rolls nicely. Yeah, the only downside is the paint on this one, actually. Just a lot of it's gone, and a lot of metal is oxidised. But yeah, fair enough. It adds patina, doesn't it? Let's put this there in front of the paper, unlike the previous unboxing. Not the previous one with those cars in the background. The one before that. And if you haven't seen that, be sure to check that one out too. Yeah, I'll shush now. Car number 2. Oh no, this one's ripping. That's not good. Oh no! Oh, there we go. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah. There's so much paper. Well, we've got another patinaed car here. I could just keep doing that. Can't get enough of that suspension. Custom Barracuda. Very cool. Has this got a... Oh, it has. I think. No, it hasn't. It has. It hasn't. I don't know. Looks like it should, but does it open forward? Definitely rattles like it. Oh, I don't know. This is why you should do research into your cars. I can see a hinge. It should open. There we go. That's what's good about having ridiculously long nails that look horrible. There we go. Nice opening feature there. Looks very good. Closes a bit too well. Got little fin wheels on the front. Rear wheels a little bit bent. A bit worse for wear. Rear screen is a bit faded, but that could polish out. That's pretty good. No cracks, which is nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. Black front grille, so there's a bit of detail in there. Rear light looks like there was a tampo, but it's since gone. It's gone. Bye-bye. Yeah, the patina on that's quite nice. Bit of oxidisation, but there you go. What we got next? I can't stop looking at the damn nails because I wish I cut them now. I've decided I need water. Jump cut. One jump cut and a bit of rehydration. There's the car. This looks very nice. Oh, I can't see. Yeah, that. 57. I don't know. Whatever this is. Looks pretty nice. The colour's good. The amount of paint left on that is really good. Looks really nice. Opening feature. That's one thing I like about all these. They seem to have a lot with opening features, which is awesome. Front screen on there, a little bit tatty looking, but it's not too bad. Doesn't look like it's cracked or anything. I'm trying to cover up the cars as much as I am. Doesn't look very well focused. Hopefully the other cars have been somewhat focused. That's pretty cool. Boom, like the paint though. It's a very nice orange. So next up, just keeps on going. Just keeps on going. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. I knew I saw one of these without the back on it. One right here. Ooh, base is needs a bit of a clean up. But the paint on this one's a little bit better. But the wheels are quite good as well, actually. The wheels are... Actually, the wheels on this one aren't too bad as well. But yeah, it's a shame because it's missing that big bit there, isn't it? Missing the big old cover for the opening feature. And it looks like it's been missing it for a little while as well, judging by the looks and dirt on the metal there. But there you go. Real patina. Or just damage. What's it going to be? It's a purple thing. Oh, I've dropped it. How did I drop it? Another one with red paint on the base. Is there a reason for this? Some kid was like, I'm gonna ruin all of them. I don't know. Strange. Maybe it sort of shows they've all come from a particular place. Bit of red paint on the hood there as well. A little bit strange. This is quite an interesting looking one. Wheels are a bit naff, but it's got most of its paint. Bit of a crack in the screen there, but I mean it's quite a big screen. The sort of thing that would be quite easy to get broken, really. Got a bit of real light detail. Maybe that was painted in by the kid. Although it looks really neat and it's not as bright. But yeah, there we go. Even got a detailed steering wheel, which we don't get on Hot Wheels nowadays. But then we don't get opening features either, so I don't know what I'm complaining about. Ooh, we have another one of the custom Firebirds. Very nice. This one has the front hood on there. That's cool. I like that. Let's compare it to the one we had in the last video. Yeah, a bit better condition. The paint's still bad, but the paint is a little bit better. No, it's rolling away. I've turned my microwave on. This is not good. That was a disaster. So yeah, carrying on from that incident. Paint's a lot better. The screen's slightly more blue on this one, but both will polish out. Yeah, this one's overall in better condition, actually. But there we go. So we've got two of them now. One has a bonnet and one doesn't. This one's got weight reduction, bro. Let's put that one back there. Let's just shift all these to the side so they're a bit out of the way. Right, next one. I keep meaning to say they look like big cars, like they're going to be a truck, but then this happens and then they're suddenly small. Okay, this one actually was a bit of a chunky one. What the hell? Literally, that kind of sums up my reaction. Which way is it going? No one knows. What on earth is this? T421? Is that what that says? Oh, I don't know. That's strange. I didn't even know about this existing. Looks like it might be missing maybe a bit of roofing. A black piece or something for the roof. Yeah, that's very strange. It's like the front of a car and the front of a car welded together in the mystery car. Paint's quite nice though, and the condition ain't too bad. It's just missing a bit up there, isn't it? As far as I know, it might be missing more. How strange. That car is a literal mystery. So let's crack on with another mystery. Let's solve this one. Boom. Fair few similar looking supercars in this one. What is this one? Ooh, the McLaren MB4 MB. I should know what McLaren this is, but I don't. Again, a nice opening feature. It's a McLaren. Everyone loves McLarens, apparently. I mean, I like McLarens, so there we go. Wheels are nice. Quite a lot of paint missing and quite a lot of oxidation, but it's all on sort of, you know, it's all play worn, isn't it? It's all on the places that are likely to get worn and rubbed and scraped, isn't it? So that's pretty nice overall. I mean, to be honest, I quite like the patina these cars have, because it does remind you of the age of them. I mean, 50 odd years is pretty old, especially for something that was probably played with a lot back in the day. I mean, you know, these were probably played more than kids play with cars nowadays. I mean, nowadays kids probably don't play with toy cars a lot at all, with all the techie gubbins. So next up, plus of course I just don't have the money to be buying ridiculously expensive, like, pristine cars. I just can't afford it. I could barely afford to buy these, really. It looks like the white paint kid is back at it again with another one of these. Oh, this is a King Cooler, this one. Yes, I was about to say it was an Itchy Kitty, but I would have got that wrong. Again, another nice looking one. Ruined by the white paint. Look at the lovely blue in there. So again, if we can get this white paint off, we're in for a winner. But if we can't, we're in for a restoration project. So that should be fun. People like watching restoration projects. Hee, maybe I'll get some subscribers. Let's not sound selfish now. Let's continue on. The last car for this video. But no, we've still got 22 cars left to go of this series. So fear not, there is more. Woo! Camaro. Let's try the opening feature first. Oh yeah. I just saw a little speck of red paint and I was like, no, not again. I thought it was going to have a red painted base. So yeah, here we have a custom Camaro. Very cool. In sort of olivish green colour. That's quite a nice colour. It's a shame so much of it's come off. That's a really nice colour. Again, this one was flagged up as apparently being a rare one, being this olive green colour. I couldn't find much on it, to be honest, when I did a little bit of research, so I'll let everyone else be the judge of that. I mean, it's a nice looking colour, I must say, very interesting. Almost like a goldish kind of green. But yeah, that's pretty nice. But yeah, lacks a bit of condition. But I mean, it's still got its hood, so, and somewhat decent wheels, so can't complain too much there with that one. So there we go. 10 more mystery red lines have been unveiled. Again, we got some that have been painted over, a lot that are requiring a bit more attention, but hey, all this patina they have now is from the attention they had from kids back in the past playing with them. And now they've landed up into my collection. And they're all doomed. Or something like that. Just to recap, there's the other ones. Looking cool. So, anyway, I guess it's time to end this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I've definitely enjoyed unboxing these. Still got 22 more to go, as I have said. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And be sure to check out that video when it comes out. I hope to see you then. I hope you're all doing well, and good luck with your collections.